Hi, today I want to show you how to connect your laptop or PC to iPhone's hotspot. So firstly, I want you to turn on mobile hotspot on your phone. So go in settings, find cellular tab, and make sure to turn on mobile data by toggle on the switch. After that, go in personal hotspot and make sure that it is allowed others to join. Here choose turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and make sure that you remember your password. Now on your laptop or PC, I want you to click right here in the down right corner where you can see Wi-Fi and then tap on this arrow right near the Wi-Fi symbol. Then I want you to click on More Wi-Fi Settings right here. So click on that. Click on the section Show Available Networks and find name of your iPhone in this list. This is mine, so I'm gonna click on it and click this button Connect. As you can see, we need to enter password. So let's do it and click Next. Now after a few seconds we'll be connected, so let's just wait a bit more. And yep, now we can see this status connected and we can see this Wi-Fi symbol in the down right corner with the name of our network. Also on your iPhone, you will see personal hotspots icon in the dynamic island, meaning that you are connected to your iPhone and can use its internet. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.